Welcome to Practice Easy English. Daily use English adjectives with example sentences. Happy, glad, pleased, delighted. Sarah was happy when she received a surprise gift. Mad, angry, furious. Later, she got mad because it was broken. Sad, unhappy, sorrowful, dejected. Tears filled her eyes, and she felt sad. Excited, thrilled, delighted, exhilarated. The next day, she was excited about her upcoming trip. Nervous, anxious, worried, stressed. But as the departure time neared, she started feeling nervous. Relieved, happy, glad, pleased. When she finally boarded the plane, she felt relieved. Curious, eager to know, inquisitive, interested. During the flight, she became curious about the new destination. Amazed, astonished, surprised, bewildered, stunned. Stepping off the plane, she was amazed by the beautiful scenery. Content, satisfied, pleased, happy, contented. As the days passed, she felt content and relaxed. Miss, long for, yearn for, pine for. Yet, beneath it all, she couldn't help but miss her family.